takes things one step further than semi-auto. It'll just keep right on repeating the whole firing process till you let go of the trigger, or you run out of ammo, whichever comes first. And two of the world's most iconic fully automatic rifles have been squaring off with each other for decades, the M16 and the AK-47. The weapon I'm holding is an M16 assault rifle. It's been the standard issue rifle for the American military since the early 1960s. This weapon is so cute and so cuddly, I would sleep with it. Oh, I love it. 1964. M16. Caliber 5.56 millimeter NATO. Now, some folks will try to tell you that it fires too small a round, and it's prone to jamming. But as the most produced firearm in its caliber, it must be doing something right. But the M16 has a rival, an arch enemy, an automatic rifle that has gone up against it for a lot of years. The ultimate bad guy gun, the AK-47. Yuck. 1949. AK-47. Caliber 7.62 millimeter. Also known as the Kalashnikov after its designer. The AK-47 is a no-nonsense, robust design. It's cheap, easy to operate, almost impossible to jam, and a favorite with serious bad guys all over the world. As great as the M16 is, there are actually some people out there who think the AK-47 is a superior weapon. So, I'm going to end the argument once and for all with 3 challenges designed to test every aspect of these arch rivals. Now, on the dark side of the fence over here, we have AK-47 lover Mike Tristano. Over this shoulder, on the side of the good guys, I have trigger puller Torrance Hall with his M16 rifle. The first test is to show which rifle is easiest to field strip under adverse conditions. You're in a combat situation, late at night, no moon, no stars, totally overcast, can't see your hand in front of your face, rifle malfunctions. You got to field strip that rifle, get it back to working order, and put it back together. Okay, you guys are both blindfolded. Can you see?
No.
You ready?
Yes.
Field stripping is essential if your rifle jams or gets too dirty to use. Well, come on. Let's go, boys.
Field stripped.
Are you sure that's totally field stripped?
Seems to be.
Okay. Okay, put it back together then. Well, come on, Torrance. We don't have all night.
Field strip.
Yeah, put it back together. Go for it.
I seem to be missing a part.
You do? Oh, excuse me. Sorry.
Oh, thank you, Gunny. Must have fallen on the ground.
Okay, well, hurry up. Let's go. Now, I noticed that you didn't take your bolt down.
Don't have to with the AK.
Oh, you don't you?
The bolt comes off the bolt carrier. That is the extent of the field stripping of the AK-47.
Are you finished?
I am.
Well, you know, that little test tells me one thing, gentlemen. The M16 is better engineered. Well, that satisfies me. Let's move on to the next contest. Test number 2 will show which gun has the most stopping power. Okay, boys, it's all about penetration. You got one shot. Shoot that cinder block down there. Want to see which one is the most powerful with the most penetration. Hoorah! That's what we're looking for, okay? Go ahead. First, Torrance with the All-American M16 firing the 5.56 millimeter round. Oh yeah, dead center. Good hole, right in the middle. Didn't get much penetration back here. But you know, that's concrete.
Well made.
Ha ha ha! Okay. Mike, go ahead and put your block up there. Hurry up. That's good. Okay, get your rifle. Let's go back. All right, comrade, let's get locked and loaded. Same deal. Let's see what the AK-47 packs. Well, you broke the cinder block. There's no question about it. Didn't have a nice, neat little hole in it, though, like the M16
I don't
did.
think it makes neat holes, Gunny.
But you know, there's a lot to be said about neatness. Now, the M16 put a nice, neat little hole right through the center. So I'm going to have to call this a draw. Yeah, that's the way I look at it. Now, we've got one more test, and it's going to be fully automatic. Now, Torrance, oh, nothing personal, but let me take care of this bit of business, huh?
Absolutely.
Well, okay, here we go. We each have a 30-round magazine. We're going to unload it into that target up there. Whoever has the most rounds in the middle of the target wins the game. That's plain and simple.
Easy enough.
Go ahead, go for it. Shooting like this causes muzzle climb, which pulls your aim way off target. So test number 3 is all about accuracy with continuous fully automatic fire. What part of fully automatic don't you understand, Mike?
That's about as fast as this thing will go.
Okay, let's go up there and mark your share of the target here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. They got 13 in the bullseye. That's not too bad.
No.
Okay, my turn. This is how we do it here in America with American weapons, okay? So pay close attention. 30 rounds, fully automatic. I rest my case. We'll start from the top, eh? 1, 2, 3. I don't need to spell it out for you knuckleheads out there. In my book, the M16 is the better rifle. You can count on that. 19. Mike, this is starting to be embarrassing, you know? But anyway,
I have to give you that one, Gunny.
it's been a pleasure, an absolute pleasure whipping your butt today.
Well, thank you, Gunny.
Let's just go and join forces and have some fun. Just blow this target to smithereens.
Let's finish that wall off.
All right. Well, there you have it. In just a few hundred years, we've gone from single-shot black powder rifles to fully automatic lead spitters that can shoot more than 700 rounds a minute. This is Gunnery Sergeant Arlie Ermey here. Keep your powder dry and your eyes on the target. Carry on. Hurrah!